Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will walk you through how to start selling clothing with Printify in 2025, from designing your apparel to publishing it on your store. Whether you are using Shopify, Etsy, or any other platform, it's beginner friendly and fully automated. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to head over to printify.com. Over here, simply click on the option of get started for free and sign up for a free account. Now click on the My Store option in the top right hand corner of the screen, and now you will be inside your Printify dashboard. The first thing that you need to do here is to simply connect your store with it. It can be any store, whether it is Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce. Once you have done that, hover over to the catalog section here in the left hand section. Now in the categories, you can browse through the sweatshirts or t-shirts, and you can also go to the clothing section. Over here you will find t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, leggings, and more. So simply select your style that you want, then pick a print provider based on the pricing, the quality, and shipping time. Afterwards, once you are inside that particular mockup, you need to start the editing. For that, you can upload your artwork or your logo and add it to your design. You can also adjust its placement. You can select the size and the position. You can also basically choose the text, the graphic, and even create the variations for it. So here it is also going to give you the tour. Now once you are done editing, you need to simply click on the preview option in the top right hand corner of the screen. You can also just take a look at how this product is going to look. Once you have done that, simply just click on the option of save product in the bottom. So you can adjust it something like this, and once you are done, click on the save product option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now simply connect to your store and publish, and connect to any of the stores that is given over here. Once it is published successfully, Printify will automatically sync the product to your connected store. Whether a customer places an order, Printify handles the printing and shipping. You just collect the profit. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.